Welcome back to AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner questions. Today we are going to discuss a question frequently asked in security and compliance category. So the question is, which AWS service can be used to migrate a distributed denial of service, that is DDoS attack? Let's discuss options one by one and figure out the answer. In first option, Amazon CloudWatch, especially used to monitoring and observability, service built for DevOps engineers, developers, site reliability engineers, and IT managers. It does not use to keep safe from any of attack. In second option, AWS KMS, that is Key Management Service, makes it easy for you to manage cryptographic keys or their use across a wide range of AWS services. So this option is also not correct for this question. In third option, AWS Systems Manager gives you visibility and control of your infrastructure on AWS. So this one is also not related to any of attack. Now we have AWS Shield, which is correct option. It's basically managed to distributed denial of service, that is DDoS attack protection service that safeguards the application running on AWS. Remember, there are two levels of protection against DDoS attacks. First one is standard and second one is advanced. In standard level, it defends against most of the common attacks happen on network and transport layers, where the standard shield is already applied with no any cost. Where you talk about advanced, it defends against attacks generally happen on network, transport and application layers. It comes at an additional cost, and also you have an access 24/7 supported DDoS response team. Let's check it on console. If you log in on your AWS console, search for Shield and select WAF and Shield. On left hand side you can see AWS Shield. Click on it and click on Getting Started. Here you can subscribe for Advanced Shield by paying $3,000 per month. Remember the keynote, AWS Shield and DDoS attack. That's it for this question. If you like this way of learning or preparing for examination, subscribe my channel. If you like this video, hit the like button and share it with your friends.